Hi viewers, welcome to Eat Without GST. Today we are going to see Meen Varuval. The ingredients required are masala chili powder, pepper, rock salt, oil, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder. Indian salmon fish. Now add all the masala powder from the ingredients and add little water and make it into a thick paste. Now add the fish pieces into it and mix well and coat the fishes completely and let it sit for some time. Now fry the fishes 1 minute each side. Tasty fish fry is ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.